So 6.1 is all about mean, median, mode, and range. The first thing we're going to do is go through some vocabulary, and we're just going to do one of these at a time. We'll do a vocabulary word, then we'll do some examples with it. Then we do a new vocabulary word, and we'll do more examples. So the average of a set of numbers is called the mean. So the average. When you hear average or you hear mean, you're always going to do the same thing. So our first thing down here is finding the mean of a data set. Data set is a group of numbers. So first, there's two steps to this. Add all the numbers together in step 1. Step 2 is divide by the total number of numbers you have. Okay? So you may use a calculator for this. So when we do this, we are going to, for our notes, we're going to write everything down. Okay? So please, write everything down that we do here. A lot of you are just going to plunk the numbers in your calculator, and you're going to make a mistake. And it's inevitable. I don't think you're going to intentionally make a mistake, because mistakes are accidents. But you'll make a mistake. You'll get a wrong answer. And you won't write anything down. So I'm going to write down a lot of things right now, and then I'm going to tell you what you should always write down to make sure that you get credit for what you did correctly. So what you're doing in your calculator right now is you're doing 13 plus 23 plus 21 plus 20 plus 21 plus 24 plus 18. You're adding all those numbers up. Right, Happiness? You're doing all that?
I did.
Okay, don't tell me yet. So if you don't have a calculator in class today, you're going to want to bring one from going forward for the rest of the year, okay? And then after you add all those up, you're going to divide. I'm going to put a long division thing under there. What are we going to divide by?
The numbers.
7, because there's 7 numbers. If you count all the numbers, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. Okay. Now, you do not have to write that step every time. What I want you to write every time is the answer to the top. When you add them all together, what did you get, Happiness?
What?
When you added them all together, what did you get?
140.
We got 140. So I want you to write the answer, the sum of those numbers. Please write that down. And please also write down what you're dividing by. 140 divided by 7. So this part is required when you do your assignment. Okay, when it says find the mean, you are going to write the sum down. If you want to write the first part, great. But you're not required to. The second part, 140 divided by 7. And then you're going to write equals, because you're going to do the division. 140 divided by 7 equals 20. And you're going to circle your answer. That is finding the mean, or the average.
The mean guy.
Okay, so do one more here. Here's a shorter one. So for your note purposes, write everything down. Because we're just doing notes here. And for your assignment, you have to write the other piece down. Mason, what'd you get when you got 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2?
10.
You got 10. And then 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Why do I ask that you write this down? Why do you think? Look back and find it if you forgot it. What if you got 2.2 as your answer?
Oh, you gotta recheck that.
You got to check something. You probably had a different number on top or a different number on bottom. If I can look back and see that, I can say, oh, I know, Grady got 9. He only added one of the ones in there. 9 divided by 5, right? Or, oh, Grady got 12. He added an extra 2, right? I can look back and figure out what he did wrong so we can do that. Okay? All right. Back up to the top. The middle value of a set of numbers is called the median. The median is the middle. The median is the middle. So we're going to go to the top of the second page here. Finding the median. 3 steps on this one. Well, 2 on every time, 3 sometimes. First step, put the numbers in order from smallest to greatest. You need to write this down, okay? You can't just do this in your head. You got to write it down. So my smallest number in this list is 13. And I like to cross them off as I go so I don't miss them. 18, then 20, then 21, then another 21. We write them both if you have 2 of them.
And then 23.
No, she said
Okay.
Miss.
You have to write it both. Yeah, you have to find it.
Okay, just watch. Hold on. So, we wrote them all in order. Okay? I like to cross off my list so I know which ones I've used. I don't get confused then. Okay? Use pencil so if you make a mistake, you miss a number, you can always go back, erase, and put it in there. Then when I do this, I either underline them or cross them off as I go. So like if I cross one at the beginning, one at the end off, then the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one. I have 1 number left. So that number there, 21, is my median, my middle number. Okay. It's really easy when you end up with 1 number. Sometimes, though, you end up with 2 numbers. So let's try this next example. What's my smallest number here?
100.
100.
25.
Then 125.
26.
Then 126.
45.
And then 145. So I cross off my first number and my last number, and I have 2 numbers left. When you have 2 numbers left, your median is the middle between those 2 numbers. So, when they're right next to each other, it's easy to figure out 125.5, but sometimes they're further apart, so you just need to find the mean, the average. So you would add them together, 125 plus 126 divided by 2 is 251 divided by 2, which equals 125.5.
How did you get that?
I'm just gonna add it simply. Oh, dude. I don't like.
So back at the top, our next vocabulary, at the very beginning, the value or values that occurs the most is called the mode.
I totally guessed that.
Mode is most. So,
21.
when you look at this list, this one is just trying to figure out, okay, there's a 13. Are there any other 13s?
No.
No. There's a 23. Are there any other 23s? No. There's a 21. Are there any other 21s?
Yes.
Yeah, there's 2 of those, right? Now keep going. There's a 20. Are there any other 20s?
No.
There's a 24. Any other 24s? An 18. Any other 18s? So 21. You can have multiple modes. Okay? If there was another one of these, if there was another 18 here, you would have the numbers 21 and 18 as your mode. Okay? Nope, you just write them both down as an answer. You just have 2 answers then. Okay, so if I gave you this list, 1, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 3. What's the mode of that?
2, 7, and 9.
2, because there's 2 of them.
7.
7, there's 2 of those. And 9, because there's 2 of those. So your answer would be 3 numbers, okay? All right, last thing of vocabulary.
It's called range.
The difference between the greatest and least, or biggest and smallest value, is called the range. The range. Okay? So now we go all the way down here.
Ranger.
Finding the range. First step, find the biggest number and find the smallest number. So I look at this list, my biggest number is
24.
24. So 24 is my biggest. My smallest number
13.
is 13. When you found those, take the big one minus the little one. 24 minus 13 gives you 11. So that's your range. So 11 is your answer.